Hey beautiful people, it's Rickita and I'm back with another video. So in this video, you guys, someone asked me to do a review on CFI. And thank you so much for the lovely comments. Me being big and pregnant, I love to hear it right now. But thank you so much for the comment. But somebody asked me to do a review on CFI. So I definitely want to do the review for you guys. Now, if you guys know of any other credit cards or any companies you want me to do a review on, then definitely let me know because I can go ahead and do a review on that credit card or that company. Now, when it comes down to CFI, I'm not sure why you asked exactly about CFI. CFI has three different things that you guys can do. They have something called the credit builder, and that's similar to the self account. If you guys have ever watched me hear about self, you definitely know that I always tell you guys about self. And this is the account where you're able to start building your credit. They'll report to the credit bureaus for you. You got to pay a certain amount per month. And as you pay into these accounts, they're reporting to the credit bureaus, right? That's their credit builder account. But I always tell people about it because you can get a credit card too. So as you paying into it, that money that you already paid into it can turn into a secure credit card in 3 months. So I always tell people about self. But when it comes down to CFI, it's just like self to me. It's just like self. And some people wish that they can do multiple accounts. They wish that they can get the self account and get another account. So now that you have that option like CFI. Now, if you guys don't know about self, definitely check out self. I'll make sure I have the link down in the comments. So definitely check it out. But it's a credit builder account. So with this account, let's go ahead and learn more about it. So with this one, they're asking, what are your goals? Are you trying to build your credit or build a savings? But you want to actually do both of them. That's basically what they're saying. We're really just trying to build the credit, most likely. That's what you guys are trying to do. They're asking how much can you commit to each and every month. So I'll say, I want you guys to do about $10 a week. So let's say $40. Make sure it's something you can really commit to. Like you have to do it. They're saying, how often do you get paid? So they're asking, hey, do you get paid every week, every other week, once a month? And they're asking this because this will be the day that you're going to get paid. So let's just say twice a month. And they're saying we can set aside $20 per month. So when is the next time we're going to get paid? Let's say we get paid Friday. Okay, and then they create a whole plan for me. So what they're saying is that we can we can save $500 in 25 paydays. So they're going to add the $20 to our account that we're going to sign up for on Friday. And then every other week, they're going to go ahead and keep adding that. So adding the $20. And then we're going to eventually get to $500. But this is very similar to the self, like I told you guys. Only thing is they're trying to help you determine your paydays. And then they also said that they don't charge you any fees to do this. So that's really good. So they're saying too, your plan would appear on your credit report by May 31st, 2022. So that's another good thing. They'll tell you exactly when it's going to be added to your credit reports. And they're saying you could just start your plan too. And every time you make a payment to this account, the money that you're paying is going into a savings account. After you get to the $500, you unlock it and you can spend it however you want. It's the same thing as like the self account. But let me kind of break down the self account too, just in case you guys have questions about the self account. And let me tell you how they're similar. So with the self account, let me put it in my terms because I had the self account. My self account just paid off. I don't know if I want to do another one or not. I like the point that it does save that money, but I don't know if I want to do another one now. Maybe I'll try CFI out with you guys. But I had the $48 a month plan, right? I paid $48 per month for 12 months. And after the 12 months, I'm going to get $539 back. While I was paying into it, every month they reported to all three credit bureaus. So every month they reported to all three credit bureaus, which I really liked. And ever since I've been with self, I showed you guys this a while ago. They said my credit scores went up a total of 155 points since being with them. So I definitely always tell people about self. And it's very similar to the CFI. With this one, I was paying $48 per month for a whole year. That's what I was doing, right? Now with this one here, they're just basically telling you got you're going to have $500 total, and you're going to do it in 25 paydays. They're breaking it down differently to you, and they're breaking your payment down. So instead of paying $48 per month, you was really paying $40 per month with this one, and you're going to have $500 after 25 paydays. And they're going to report to the credit bureau. So both of them do the same thing, you guys. So I definitely I suggest you try to get both of them. Get both self and get CFI if you can. And with the CFI one, if you cannot pay the $40 per month, try to go down just to the $20 per month. Don't forget they have different options for you guys. Now that's just one part of CFI, right? You got the borrow and grow plan. Now let me just start off by saying I do not suggest the borrow and grow plan at all, only because you can get access to money, but a lot of my clients are trying to build their credit. They're trying to buy a house. I don't want you guys to go further in debt just to build your credit, or just borrow money that you really didn't need just to build your credit. Because with this account, what they're going to do is they're going to give you an offer. So no harm to your credit. You can check your offer and see what they'll offer you. But they're going to basically, if it's $400, right, they're going to give you probably half of that or a quarter of that. So they may give you $1,200 now, or $1,000 now, or they may even give you $2,000 now, right? And they're going to report that $4,000 on your, they're going to report that to the credit bureaus for you guys. But this is the thing, that $2,000 that you did borrow, you have to keep paying that back. And the interest rate, I believe, let's see if I can find the interest rates. Yeah, the interest rate is between 7.42 and 29.99. So I don't want you guys to just pay money because you're like, oh, I want to get the 4,000. I want to get the one that's going to report and I can get money. I really don't want you guys to get this account. But if you guys did need to borrow money, because I did see some people say positive things like my son needed to have surgery, that I really needed the money. If you guys really need the money, then this may be a great way for you guys to borrow money and also if to build your credit at the same time. But where I'm at with a lot of my clients out here, they're trying to buy houses, they're trying to get out of debt. So I wouldn't tell them to do that second loan. I wouldn't tell them to do the borrow and grow. I wouldn't tell them to do that. But they have one more. So they have the one bill plan. I like this one, but it's still not here. It's still not here. So you guys can't actually do it yet. I really like I like this one because they're going to put all your bills in one and then make it so that you can just pay that one. You'll have one bill, like a consolidation. So all the credit cards you might want to get into one, they'll put them all into one, and then you'll just have that one bill, and they'll report to the credit bureau, so it's going to build your credit. So yeah, you guys, that's really everything I want to talk about with CFI. I do think that CFI is here to really help people build their credit. That's what I really like about them. And you can see all their reviews at the bottom when you guys come to their website. But if you guys ever have any questions like, Rickita, what about this in my situation? Should I do the borrow and grow? Or asking if you should get this account in general, definitely put those in the comments and I'll make sure I answer them for you. And again, if you want me to make your video, go ahead and drop the company down below, your question down below, and I'll make sure I make a video for you. But I'll see you guys in the next video. There's so many people out there with debt. So much debt, you guys, that they can't even get a car. They can't get a mortgage. They can't even get a credit card. Like, I mean, a $200 credit card. Some people can't even get a secure credit card. So that's why I created my exclusive credit membership. And it's only $1, you guys. So my exclusive credit membership, you guys will actually get the letters to delete bankruptcies, charge off, repossessions, any negative account that you have in your credit reports. I have the letter so you guys can get that deleted. But guess what? Just because you guys are a part of my exclusive membership, you can get all those letters. But say if you don't want to do all that work, I have it so that you guys can get free credit repair. So that means I will actually start working to help you remove these accounts from your credit reports. And look right here, look all the results that my clients are getting. So definitely remember, you guys can join my exclusive membership for just $1. And I'll have that link down below, or you guys can text SCORE 21,000 and you guys will have that link. So I'll see you guys in my exclusive membership.